I mean, think about it. It's probably good for Tesla. I know you have the skeptics on Tesla. I don't really, all I say is never, ever short Tesla. Ever short Tesla. But I did go on the site. I'll explain why in a minute why you should ever short Tesla. But I went on their site just to see. I'm not going to buy a Tesla. I can't even fit in them yet. If they have a truck which they say it's coming out, maybe. But it's hard to go from a truck to sedan when I'm driving a truck for so long. But it takes about 2 to 3 months to get that car if you build it online. It's a lot shorter compared to maybe 5-6 months. We don't know. This is 2-3 months. But think about this, because this was the year, guys. This was a year that all these companies, all the automakers were going to catch up to Tesla. They're all releasing new electric vehicles. It was all coming out. Tesla better watch out. The competition is here. Well, no longer. None of these are on lots. None of them are being built. I mean, it's going to be another year that Tesla has this market to themselves, basically. You try to buy an electric car outside of a Tesla, good luck. You're not getting it for 9 months. No way. That's a pretty big deal. Think about new cars, Model S, whatever. The market share is increasing while it's taking a big risk off the table. I'm not telling you to buy or sell Tesla. Again, it's, Tesla right now is the only game in town when it comes to EVs. Pretty much. And I usually stay away from the stock. Again, I never told you to short it because it's a cult. To bet on Elon Musk, people will die for. I'm not even kidding. People will actually die for this guy. I'm not exaggerating. I want proof. My wife's friend is buying a Tesla. And she said, I'm getting it in 2 weeks. She told me, I'm quoting her. She told me, she's like, I can't wait. I'm so excited. This is a life-changing event for me. Think about that for a minute. A life-changing event. You're buying a freaking car. It's a life-changing event. You have a kid, it's a life-changing event. You get married, it's a life-changing event. You're buying a car. Life-changing. That's how that's common. That's common. That's what Tesla's about. That's what the stock is about. That's what Dogecoin is about. I mean, I complain because I'm into the crypto industry and I love the crypto industry and I feel like this is a BS coin, but it's more than that, Doge. It's a lot more than that. I mean, you've seen Doge and Tesla both be called frauds by so many people, smart people. But it doesn't matter. I mean, fundamentals don't matter with these things. They're cult names that are being bought by a new generation of investors, and these people refuse to sell. They're holding on forever. They don't care about volatility or anything. They're holding forever. And the more that people trash these names and call them frauds, the more the younger generation wants to buy them. Why? Because to them, they're looking at it as an FU to the system, to the destruction of the dollar, to Wall Street. Hey, we're here. This is what we could do. It's incredibly, incredibly powerful. Look at GameStop. It's $150 a share still. Yes, it went to $400. This thing should be in the single digits. It's a $10 billion market cap with basically no business model other than selling games through stores. Again, I like that, but most games you don't buy offline anymore. You could download anything. Look at the new Sony PlayStation. They have 2 versions. The other one of them is you could still use a disc for, the disc for PlayStation 4 and stuff. And 5, but they have the other version, which is really selling. That's just you download only. What do you think the next versions are going to be? Download only. Yeah, they raise money, they have cash, and they're going to try to get into online and stuff like that, but really no business model. This is the cult of how many people buy these things. When it comes to Tesla, listen, competition was one risk. That's off the table. No competition this year. You don't know if they're going to meet demand? Well, they're probably going to meet demand. They're probably going to surge. You're going to see a lot of people say, you know what? I'm going to buy a Tesla now. Especially if you can get in 2 and 3 months, because it's the only game in town other than buying used cars. I'm seeing this here. I'm seeing this through emails. I want to hear from you, frankcurzioresearch.com. Especially if you're a car dealer. I want to hear from you. And there's several that emailed me 3 months ago, and showed me letters from their suppliers saying, we're not going to be able to deliver this for a very long time. And in 2 months ago, it started, the chip shortage didn't last. Now it was like, wow, look at this chip shortage. It's crazy.